My new Subaru.
So this is a 2011 Subaru Impreza hatch. She got some damage, and then they were going to keep her, but engine tick, pretty bad engine knock on it, which I'll show later, but he got bumped pretty good. My driveway's kind of slanted, so don't let that look too much, but yeah, but she's been sitting a little bit, so now we're going to get her clean. So I'm starting off by cleaning this thing, and really what I do start off is just do a foam cannon wash. This lifts all the dirt away and makes it so that, you know, it lifts and pulls it away without scratching the paint. Kind of standard detailing stuff. If you have a foam cannon, it works great. Electric pressure washer does a pretty good job at this. But I do a very thick foam cannon wash, and then I just follow it up with pressure washing the whole vehicle off without actually touching it at first. This gets that first layer of heavy dirt away. Be very thorough. Try to go every square inch of the car. Obviously I sped up the video for time's sake, but yeah, it's just hit everything. Be very thorough. The wheels, handles, everything. Just, and then I hit it up with a second foam cannon. And then do my, touch scrub. I use a very clean brush. This thing is only used after major, dirt and stuff is removed. And to finish it off, spray it off. You'll see why I got it cheap right now. That is why. So, that's why. So I've done some cleaning on it. We've polished it. I got some videos coming out on that. But like I said, just a little 2.5 liter auto, black car. We got some bumper cover damage. It's got to continue on. So the plan for the Subaru is simply we're gonna remove the engine from it. Figure out what's going on, if it's even worth rebuilding. If it's not, used engine, obviously. Used engine's probably a good idea where to start, but I want to take it apart and figure out what happened. Why did it go bad? So, the pretty easy engine to actually remove. I'm not going to do a full, how-to series on how to remove this engine. I'm going to do a lot on dismantling an engine, essentially, because I don't have a lot of videos explaining stuff like that, and people always have questions, and when you see an engine taken apart, it makes more sense than, trying to figure out what's wrong if you have no idea what's going on in here. But, like I said, it's black. I need a headlight, I need a hood, I need front bumper, rear bumper covers. Rest can be polished out. I'm thinking about doing just a WRX grill bumper just because they look better. If I have to get new ones anyways and get them painted, new hood, but whatever. I don't really want the hood scoop for the front, but it might look good in the car. I don't know. Essentially, new daily. Just need to fix it. Truck needs some work. So, definitely like and comment. Do you guys like the new Subaru? Do you not? I want to hear it. What are your guys' thoughts? Anybody got some leads on some cheap engines? Or, any info you guys want to swing my way, that's great. I'm not a Subaru fanatic. I don't know everything about them. I'm learning. But we go from there.